Welcome back to Amazing Car. Today we're diving into the 2025 Toyota Innova, a car that takes family travel to a whole new level. Let's explore its design, performance, history, and all the exciting features that make it a standout. The 2025 Toyota Innova boasts a sleek, modern exterior with bold lines, a wide front grille, and a refined, sporty look that's perfect for any family. Stepping inside, the first thing you notice is the spacious, comfortable cabin, offering ample legroom and headspace for up to 7 passengers. With premium materials like soft touch surfaces and leather upholstery, the seats are ergonomically designed to ensure long trips are a breeze. Technology-wise, the Innova doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with a 10-inch infotainment display, offering Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an intuitive navigation system. The dashboard features a clean, minimalistic design, housing controls within easy reach. The cabin also offers a panoramic sunroof, ambient lighting, and advanced climate controls for an enhanced driving experience. Under the hood, the 2025 Innova offers impressive performance, with a choice of petrol and hybrid engines, delivering powerful acceleration and fuel efficiency. Safety is a top priority, with Toyota's Safety Sense suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. The Toyota Innova has a rich history, evolving from a practical family vehicle into a versatile powerhouse, with each new generation bringing advanced features and improved performance. The 2025 model continues this legacy, offering everything a modern family could need in a stylish, reliable package. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews right here on Amazing Car.